Hey, have you received all your items in your locker, ready to ship them to your country? Before you proceed, please recheck everything carefully. Once the items are delivered to the destination country, we won't be able to take them back. Make sure to verify the product size and color in the product description. You can also check the product photos for confirmation. If everything looks correct and you've received all the items you ordered, you're good to go. Select all the items and create a ship request. Next, you'll see a pop-up asking for the delivery address. Please ensure that your address and phone number are correct. Here, you'll also find an option called Express Processing. Please note, Express Processing only prioritizes your shipment for processing and packing. It does not mean express shipping. Click Next, and you'll see a few checkboxes for packaging options. Choose the options based on your preference. For example, you can add extra packaging material if you're concerned about fragile items, or select Discard Shoebox to reduce volumetric weight. Finally, click Create Ship Request. You'll receive a confirmation message saying your ship request has been successfully created. Happy shopping!